And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a download icon. We just need the basic tools, nothing too fancy. Let's start with the rectangle. It's freeform drag. I click on the black swatch and then I hold shift and click on the X, so you can see I don't have a stroke but a black fill. Now I use this star tool and I make sure I've got 3 corners to create this triangle. And I hold Ctrl when I rotate it to this position. I use the cursor tool and position it right there. Then I select it all, go to Object, Align and Distribute, last selected, and I use this alignment menu. And now I can go to Path and Union it, so I've got this simple arrow created. Now I use the Bezier tool. I simply hold Ctrl and click 2 times to have a straight line. Now I use the Fill and Stroke menu on the object. You can see the stroke paint. It has a flat color, which is black. And I'll add a width in millimeters so that it fits the size of the arrow. But I want to have round caps, so you can see we've got the edges rounded now. Once again I select it all, go to Align and Distribute and use the alignment once again so that it is in the center. Let me zoom out a little bit. Maybe I'll make the stroke a little bit thicker, so 30 wasn't enough. 50 looks way better. Let me select it all, then I go to Object and group it. We're done with this part of the icon, and now we use the ellipse tool again. I hold Shift and Ctrl when I drag that, and this time I want to get rid of the fill, so I click on the X, and I want to give it a stroke, so I hold Shift and click on a black swatch. It has the same thickness as the line that we've created before. I'll select it all, use the alignment once more. Or maybe the circle is a little bit big, so size that down holding Ctrl and Shift. That way it stays in position. So if I select it all and use the alignment again, you can see that nothing happens, it's still in the center. And that's about it. We can select it all, Object and group, and this is how we can create such a download icon in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.